Here's an update on the lawsuit filed against Trump administration for tearing down and destroying the East Wing of the White House, filed by the National Trust for Historic Preservation in the United States. Now, the judge in this case, Judge Richard Leon, a George W. Bush appointee, gave the Trump administration the benefit of the doubt and denied the request for a preliminary injunction and temporary restraining order requested by the National Trust, essentially saying that though Donald Trump violated this is me, the National Historic Preservation Act by not getting a review from the National Capital Planning Commission, not consulting with the Advisory Council on Historic Preservation, and not getting a review by the Commission of Fine Arts, which is required by that law, all of which should occur before the demolition. He said there's no irreparable harm because the final plans for the above ground doesn't start to April, and everything is not final yet, and arguably some of the below ground stuff is reversible. Okay, yeah, whatever. So he said he's watching it, and there is a briefing schedule. So sometime in January, all the parties have to get together and share their facts, laws, whatever, as to why or why not this action was against the law or improper. So it's active, it's ongoing. There's a hearing on a broader preliminary injunction. So I'll keep you updated on this case. It's JJ Legal. I am the dockets. I monitor the lawsuits filed against the Trump administration and those the Trump administration filed against others to give you a sense of calm and take you beyond the headlines so you know to the extent to which the federal district court judges are actually reining this man in and having some sort of accountability. And yeah, so if you follow me, that's what I do here. Now, if you'd like to support my work, I am a community generated supported accounts and channel. You can head to jjlegal.com/support. See different ways you can support me. And starting with just sharing this video for free, and you can give me your email. Actually, you get something in exchange for your email. You get a Trump Survivor Kit, which includes Know Your Rights cards, Know Your Rights at the border, Know Your Rights when you're traveling, Know Your Rights regarding social media, Know Your Rights when you are protesting, Know Your Rights in red states, Know Your Rights and how to get on the class action lawsuits. I also include case trackers and dockets so you can know where to get the executive orders, where to get the dockets so you can be a docket queen like me, where you can access the actual cases to follow along, and then also scripts. So scripts in case you see someone being detained unlawful, being brutalized. So you may not stop it, you may stop it, but one thing you may do is help us capture all these evidence for the civil rights lawsuits, for the criminal referrals later on, for the inspectors and the oversight hearings that are coming in the future. JJ Legal, each one teach one. Share this video so more people know.